by providing qualified families and individuals with safe, affordable, quality housing. The department considers public input very important, and to support the significance of comments, the department is conducting 6 public hearings around the state of Texas in order to receive public comment for any of the 2010 competitive housing tax credit applications. This public hearing is being held in Dallas, Texas, at the J. Eric Johnson Public Library. You may provide comments for any 2010 competitive housing tax credit application. All comments that you provide today will be recorded, and a summary of that comment will be presented to the department's board prior to the final award recommendation. If you wish to speak but have not completed a witness affirmation form, please be sure and complete one and hand it to me during this meeting. Also,